Hi, I'm Rusty Wise,
And I'm Jermaine Gash.
and we're on location for Wise Wednesdays for the Wise News Network. And we are at the American Legion Post 100 here in Cherryville for the Thanksgiving Community Meal Drive, which is a drive-through this year.
And as you can see, there's a line that stretches all the way to the back. So hopefully we'll get some good interviews today and see what this is all about.
A lot of people here, a lot of people inside. It takes a whole community to pull this together. We'll be doing more interviews. You'll see what it's all about. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, guys.
Here we are with H.L. Bean, the mayor of Cherryville. And H.L., what do you think about this event?
I think it's great that we can serve so many people in our surrounding community. It's a great thing, a charitable thing, and we're feeding a lot of hungry people today. I'm just glad to be a part of it.
There you have it. The mayor serving food, doing a great job. We're here with Jamie Carroll, and she's going to tell a little bit about the food and the excitement here in today's community event.
It's always very exciting, and it's the volunteers. We've been doing this for years, so it's become more of like a family event for us as well. So our whole family participates, and just getting together with the community. My children have grew up doing this. So this morning we had 44 turkeys. Food line cooked the turkeys, and then we had about 10 people in there this morning tearing the meat off the bones. So we've already ran out of cranberry sauce and corn.
So it's a full Thanksgiving meal. What all's included with the meal?
Turkey, cranberry, potato salad, slaw, green beans, yams. The Wesleyan Church makes the dressing, rolls. Sure, I think that's it. Cranberry sauce.
Okay.
And then normally when it's dine-in, we do the First Baptist does the tea for us. So
Great event, guys. Wonderful, wonderful community event with the help of Food Line and the Cherryville Area Ministries. And everybody's having a great time. A lot of help in here, too.
yes, a lot of the community churches and just the neighborhood, the community itself comes together. So it's a good event.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We're here with Tammy Campbell, and she's an event organizer. Tell us a little bit about the event.
Well, we started the event years and years ago. It was started by the Ministerial Association of Cherryville, but then it kind of branched out from there. Food Line donates all of our food, and we have a group of volunteers that comes in and helps us get it all ready. We make sure Meals on Wheels gets a meal. Normally, they don't get a meal on the weekend, so we organize with them to make sure they all get a meal. Shut-ins from all the churches, and a lot of people just come and get from retirement neighborhoods and take out to everybody there.
How many meals do you expect to serve today?
Last year we did 1,026
Wow, that's a
from
lot.
11 to 2. But now today we started about 9:30 when the line started. So we tried to get the food ready and start the line as quick as we could.
How many churches are involved in this?
Pretty much 5 or 6 in the area. And then Knights of the Pythia, I have their crowd here today. I have Food Line's crowd here today. Cherryville Area Ministries crowd's here today. So we try to get as many people as we can because it takes a lot.
How many volunteers you think?
I have not counted yet, but normally we have about 30 to 40 volunteers.
Wow, that's great. A great community event with Tammy. Would you like to say anything else?
We just thank everybody for coming out and helping us out. We hope everybody enjoys their meal.
This community Thanksgiving dinner back in 2008, and at that time all the area churches participated, and also Walmart, Bojangles, Kentucky Fried Chicken, all pitched in and gave something so that we could give people free food or a free dinner, a free meal. And before COVID, we did it all inside, came in and served them. But since COVID started, we've been doing it through drive-through. Food Line always comes up and does the cooking in the back room, and we prepare all the food, the sides, and I usually cook the turkeys. This year we cooked 44 turkeys, and we bring them up here and we debone them and get them ready so that they can serve them off the line, make it fast and efficient. But Cherryville Area Ministry, after a lot of the people fell out, quit participating to cut the cost down of the food or giving us food or donating food, Cherryville Area Ministry started applying for a grant that Food Line offered. And it started off first year that she applied and got it was like $500. The next year it was like $1,000, and it went up like now this past 2 years she's been getting like $2,000 checks from them. And the food we bought this year, when we rang it up, it's like $2,400 and some odd dollars of what we bought. And then there was people that actually bought stuff and actually donated on top of that. The help is all, like there's a lot of people in churches, they participate behind the scenes. They can't actually come up here on the day of when we serve the meal. So if it wasn't for all these people, we couldn't do it. And it gets bigger and better every year. I think last year was, you didn't ask Tammy to verify it, but I think it was like 1,040 some odd plates that we did last year. And I don't know what today is going to be, but it looks like it's been very busy. So
I think the first year they were saying it was around 200 plates, and it's gone from 200 to well over 1,000.
that's exactly right.
And also, you retired in 2015. Now, you could have retired, went and played golf, and went out in the sunset, but you chose to continue to serve your community.
Well, when the first year we started it, I'll say I was store manager then, and they came and asked if Food Line would participate, and I said, sure we will. And after that first year, I felt like this is something the community's got to do. We got to do it for the kids. If you just come up here and work and help, to see the faces and see that you know how much it helped everybody, especially the kids. I felt like Food Line had to be involved in it every year.
Well, Max, appreciate your effort. A great team of people here. It's been a beautiful day, a lot of food served, and I hope everyone has a happy Thanksgiving.
Me too. God bless everybody.
We're back on the Wise News Network on Wise Wednesdays, and this was a great event. What'd you think, Jermaine?
Terrific event, amazing people volunteering their time and efforts, just amazing calls. They do this just about every year, right?
Yeah, every year. I think this is the 14th annual.
The 14th.
And they were saying they started with a couple hundred plates, and now they're over 1,000.
Wow.
And they may run out this year.
Yeah, by the looks of it, it looks like they will.
Big crowd here.
Make sure you guys tune in every Wednesday to a brand new Wise Wednesday. And if you have any comments or if you'd like to see a specific video, make sure you email us at newsdesk@wisenewsnetwork.com or hit us up on social media, and we'd love to look at your segment ideas.
Yeah, shoot us your leads, your segment ideas. We're a Wise News Network. Our goal is to go into local communities. All news is local. It's just how it's distributed. We'd love to hear your stories. Send us, like Jermaine said, a text, email, like and share all our products. YouTube especially, go on there and subscribe. We'd love to have you. Thanks, guys. Have a great day and have a happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, guys.